Unit 8, Lessons 4 and 5 test. Number 1. Which of the following is the primary reason Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system? A. The atmosphere of Venus reflects sunlight back into space. B. The rotation of Venus affects how the sun's rays penetrate its atmosphere. C. The atmosphere of Venus radiates heat back down to the surface of the planet. Number 2. Unlike Earth, which tilts on its axis, Mercury has no axial tilt. How does Mercury's lack of axial tilt affect its seasons? A. Mercury has no seasons. B. Mercury has 2 seasons. C. Mercury has longer seasons. Number 3. Mars' year is 686 days long. That is about twice as long as a year on Earth. Why is a year on Mars so long? A. Mars' atmosphere is very thin. B. Mars' rotation speed is very slow. C. Mars' orbit is farther from the Sun than Earth. Number 4. What is the order of the distances of the terrestrial planets from the Sun from farthest to closest? A. Mars, Venus, Mercury, Earth, Mercury. B. Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury. C. Venus, Earth, Mars, Mercury. Number 5. Which of the following statements best describes the characteristics of the terrestrial planets? A. Small, dense, rocky surfaces. B. Large planetary rings, many moons. C. Made up of hydrogen and helium, small and close to the Sun. Number 6. Mercury's year is 88 days long. That is about a fourth as long as a year on Earth. Why is a year on Mercury so short? A. Mercury's atmosphere is very thin. B. Mercury's rotation speed is very slow. C. Mercury's orbit is closer to the Sun. Number 7. Which terrestrial planets have diameters that are nearly equal in size? A. Earth and Mars. B. Mars and Venus. C. Earth and Venus. Number 8. Which of the following lists accurately relates which terrestrial planets have moons and how many moons they have? A. Mercury and Venus, no moons. Earth, 1 moon. And Mars, 2 moons. B. Mercury, Venus, and Earth, 1 moon each, and Mars, 2 moons. C. Mercury and Venus, no moons. Earth, 2 moons, and Mars, 2 moons. Number 9. Below is a table showing the decimal percentage a person would weigh on each planet in our solar system. If you weighed 125 pounds on Earth, how much would you weigh on Mars? Mercury, 0.38. Venus, 0.91. Earth, 1. Mars, 0.38. Jupiter, 2.34. Saturn, 1.06. Uranus, 0.92. Neptune, 1.19. A, 100 pounds. B, 47.5 pounds. C, 38 pounds. Number 10. The table below shows some information about the periods of revolution for Earth and the gas giants. How long does it take Neptune to complete 1 full revolution in Earth years? A. 11.9 years. B. 29.5 years. C. 164.8 years. Number 11. What is a gas giant? A. A large red supergiant star. B. A planet that has a deep, massive atmosphere. C. A rock from space that reaches Earth's surface without burning up. Number 12. Methane caused what 2 planets to appear bluish in color? A. Mars and Mercury. B. Saturn and Jupiter. C. Neptune and Uranus. Number 13. Which planet or planets have at least 60 moons? A. Jupiter only. B. Jupiter and Saturn only. C. Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. Number 14. The planets in the solar system have a wide range of temperatures. Earth's temperatures range from about minus 89 degrees Celsius to about 58 degrees Celsius. How do the temperatures on Uranus compare to Earth's temperatures? A. Much hotter. B. Much colder. C. Slightly warmer. Number 15. Which of the following is a list of gas giant planets going from the farthest from the Sun to the closest from the Sun? A. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. B. Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter. C. Pluto, Saturn, and Jupiter.